morning, boys and girls. This is Principal Anna, and we are going to be having a story time today. You're welcome to join us. We're going to be reading about a hungry caterpillar. Let's go. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf, and a very hungry small caterpillar was born. Look! And he started to look for some food. Look at the hungry caterpillar. He's really hungry. So he was walking up, and he found an apple. He found one red apple. But look at him. He's still very sad because he's still hungry. So he continued his hunt. And then the next day he found 2 pears. Let's count together. How many pears can you see? 1 and 2. Well done. But look, he's still hungry. Let's see what caterpillar can find next. On Wednesday, the hungry caterpillar found some plums. Do you want to count with me? 1, 2, 3 plums. Well done. So the hungry caterpillar ate all 3 of them. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. And the next morning, the hungry caterpillar found lots of... Who knows what is this? Who can tell me? Well done. Strawberries. Let's count and see how many strawberries hungry caterpillar found this time. 1,